Good evening, friends. I hope you all are doing well in your life. The topic for today's discussion is going to be about our Honorable Prime Minister, what he has spoken in his last Man Ki Baat. Now, I will like to give you a gist of the topic, which means the topic of for today's discussion will be urge to entrepreneurship, in which our Honorable Prime Minister has focused more on. So, without wasting much of your time, let's start the discussion. And what are the various issues which he has taken care? Let's talk about it. Now, moving on to the next part, that is he, as I told you, that he talks about many issues, various issues like Atmanirbhar Abhiyan. Now, this Atmanirbhar Abhiyan is basically stands for your entrepreneurship. If you have any idea or something that you can bring it to the government, and government will definitely help for your project too, so that our India will prolifer and get to the zenith. Now, the second point, that is vocal for the local. In his previous Man Ki Baat, he has also talked about this vocal for the local, in which if a local person is there and he or she is running his business, then at that time he can basically run his business, and you have to become a his voice. You have to raise his voice for his product and for other things too. So this stands for vocal for the local. Now, other thing was asking for a new startups. As I told you, he was more focusing on entrepreneurship. If you have any idea, you can bring it to the government and computer gaming, etc. Computer gaming here means that he was basically talking about, as you know, that the new education system has came up, and in which new means your students, they can also bring a part of you can say that they can also be a part of gaming things, means they can make their own program software to like other countries do. It is not the first time. In other countries, if I talk about it, just go it this is a part of their education system, but as it we have entered into 2020, the new student means 6th to 9th class of student, they can also make their own project and bring it to the government too. Now, the next topic which he has focused on, that is he emphasized on the slogan of "दो गज की दूरी मास्क है जरूरी है," which means you have to maintain the distance, means 6 feet of distance you have to maintain, and this mask is basically compulsory for all. This slogan is being emphasized by our Honorable Prime Minister to fight against this COVID-19. Now, the other part in which he was focusing more about, that was farmer section. He basically praises our farmers in because he has done a tremendous incredible job in his field. Because I would like to give some fact and figure through which you can relate the things. Like he was talking about that there is 7% kharif crop increase has been seen, and 5% pulses increase, and 13% oil seed. That means our farmers are doing an incredible job in his field. Now, the other thing in which he was talking about, that was teacher. As you know that on 5th of September, Teachers Day is being celebrated all over the world. Now here, he also appreciated all the teachers which in this COVID-19 or in this pandemic situation where they are talking about whatever means our teachers are putting their best efforts in the for teaching the students too. So this was all about today's discussion. So if you have any doubt or query, you can write down in the comment section, and thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind.